BlackBerry versus the vacuum cleaner. Who wins? Clinton's biggest op. This is Clinton's biggest op right here. I had a robot vacuum a long time ago. This company sent me one in 2016. Clinton absolutely destroyed it. I'm hoping that since Clinton is, I would say, since he is 17 years old instead of 8 years old, that perhaps he's mellowed out a little, and maybe this robot vacuum is more durable than the older models. They seem to be coexisting peacefully. Before he walked up to it like he was going to hit it, so I'm trying to teach him that when the robot vacuum goes out, you get a treat. I'm hoping that Mr. Clinton associates the robot vacuum with getting treats instead of associating it with something that he needs to kill being in his home. Because there's one way to find out, though. Let's see. Looks like a conflict's about to happen here. It took the Google Pixel 5 full seconds to focus. Oh, don't fuck with her tail. Don't fuck with her tail. Good vacuum. Who gets it? Oh shit. Oh, armed conflict. It knows better. Okay, now I'm just being a dick. I can't help myself. Clinton, look at the treat. Look at the treat. Oh. Can I? Let's see what he does. Oh shit. I don't think anybody's ever done this test on this vacuum before. All right, let's place the treats on top of the vacuum. Do not try this at home. This is the opposite of what I was intending to do. I wanted to train them that they can live peacefully with the vacuum, not that they should try to break apart and eat the vacuum. However, there's something funny about this. If the vacuum is an AI vacuum, I'm very curious if the vacuum is scared for its life right now because it's being attacked by literal panthers. Clinty, look. He can't see. He's an old blind kitty. Clinty, look. Over here. Psst. Look, treat. You want a treat? He can't see shit. Clinton, attack. Attack the Internet of Shit device. Attack the Valitudo. Come on, Clinty. Come on. Clinton. Clinton. Yo, man. I know you're old, but this is starting to get ridiculous. It's over here, bro. It's right here. Clinton, what are you doing up there? It's over here. This is the best a predator can do. My disappointment is immeasurable. My day is ruined. He's old. It's like, I'm not doing this. Fuck off. I'm not a toy. I'm a kitty. There we go. I don't think they ever tested for this while making this device. This is where it gets dangerous, because the vacuum has no more treats, but the kitty still wants treats, because the kitty always wants treats. How does the kitty respond when it just seems like the vacuum doesn't want to give you treats anymore? Blackberry's thinking of cutting it off. She went behind the subwoofer and the speaker from the left side while he's coming in from the right side. The vacuum realizes it's time to escape. Mr. Clinton's wondering, why am I not getting treats anymore? Time to enjoy a beautiful day. Grab my laptop, sit out here in absolute peace. Grab a shoe. Had a very hard week of work this week. Cleaning out the entire store. There's a lot of junk and a lot of things that can be made better. I feel a renewed sense of pride in my company that I think went away between 2021 and 2025. I'm kind of excited to experience everything like it's new again. I'm very excited to see what the year 2026 holds. Hope it's a good year for all of you people too. For me, it's a year of catching up on things that I burnt myself out on, and remembering what it's like to be me again. Remembering what I found fun about what I do. And also, to just take some time and sit on the chair and relax, because I forgot how to do this for a while. And that's it for today. And as always, hope you learned something.